Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if there is something that's going to add to my comfort while I'm spending time outdoors, then that is always a good idea in my books. This FreeCon inflatable camping pad is something that I know I will definitely use repeatedly. It is the perfect size for me and my husband, which is great because we both love doing everything together, including camping and spending time at the beach. I find it so comfortable to lie on. I think that the thickness of it is just perfect and it gives just the right amount of support. I absolutely love the fact that it has a built-in foot pump. Just not having to worry about bringing a pump with us and having everything all in one place makes such a difference to me. In my opinion, the motion of pumping up with my foot as opposed to using a traditional hand pump is much easier. It folds up to a really compact size, so this means that it is really simple to take with us anywhere. We do a lot of road travel in all kinds of weather, so I really think that it will be great to have this camping pad with us. In case we happen to get stuck overnight somewhere, we have a bed with us. If you are someone who finds yourself needing to bring your own bed with you, then I think that this camping pad is a great option. But that's just my point of view.